welcome to another lawnfawn video. Today we are quickly introducing our brand new backdrop die, Itsy Bitsy Polka Dot Backdrop. I love this die so much because it creates a standard size card base at 5.5 by 4.25 inches, and it also has all of these cute little polka dots in it. And here you can see just how cute and tiny those polka dots are. Now, I like to use this die in a bunch of different ways, but one of my favorite ways to use it is a tone-on-tone look. So here I'm just going to take some white cardstock and slide it behind my piece there, and you can see it's a really subtle and really delicate kind of look. Another thing you can do is take colored cardstock and put that behind. So here you can see that yellow poking out, and that's giving you yellow polka dots on a white backdrop. Here's a look of white polka dots with some craft cardstock, and so you can see how you can mix and match colors to get really cool and different looks depending on what you need for your card. One of my other favorite things to do is to layer it over some pattern paper. So this is some really rainbow paper there, and there you can see that beautiful rainbow pattern coming through those polka dot holes. It's just so gorgeous and so much fun. Here you can see I'm taking out my paper pad and just layering it there onto the different pattern papers. And so you can do this with any paper pads that you have, kind of layer it and see if it works. That one didn't work quite as well, so I'm going to move on to this one. Ooh, that one looks really cool. Kind of play around with it and come up with some really, really cool and fun looks. And now we have some gorgeous cards by the design team showing this polka dot backdrop in action. And this card by Elena is just stunning. I love her yellow polka dots there popping through on her white background. I love how Audrey used a black background with the white dots showing through. It's so stunning and gorgeous. And then here she did a tone-on-tone look with the white on white, which is really, really beautiful too. Here I love how Yainea did the craft with the white peeking out from the background. It's just so delicate and gorgeous. I love it so much. And then here Elena used the background in the same way with the craft and the white. It's such a classic, gorgeous look. And then here, I love those aqua polka dots showing through the white background created by Kate. Absolutely gorgeous. So I cannot wait to see what you guys do with the Itsy Bitsy polka dot backdrop, so make sure to share it with us. Thank you so much for watching today and have an absolutely amazing day. Bye!